Ever wondered how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we interact with everyday objects? Imagine a world where a simple scan of your new device with your phone could provide you with real-time step-by-step guidance on how to set it up. Sounds intriguing, right? Enter the world of AI solutions, where the seamless integration of technology and daily life becomes a reality. This process begins with the uploading of PDFs to Azure User Storage. These PDFs could be anything from user manuals, technical specifications, or even a recipe book. Once the PDFs are securely stored, the next step involves creating a search service for these files. Think of it as a librarian who knows exactly where to find the book you need. This search service is powered by an AI model named GPT-4V, used and custom model GPT-4V Harris, developed by Harris Priganidze and deployed on Azure's AI Hub. This model is pre-trained on Gen AI knowledge and connected through AI Studio on Azure. It works in tandem with Azure's computer vision, a sophisticated tool that's already pre-trained and ready to work its magic. The process culminates in the creation of a transformation hybrid custom model, complete with keywords and vector DB. This back-end magic is then used for mobile and augmented reality applications. Imagine scanning a cylindrical-shaped router called GigaCube with your phone. The application powered by this AI solution guides the end user on setting up the current and network cable. No need for a technician to explain over the phone or make a house call. But it doesn't stop there. This AI solution is also compatible with XReal AR glasses. Scan the product and a dynamic user guide appears, instructing you on how to use it. So what does all this mean? It means a revolution in user experience, a seamless blend of technology and everyday life. It means cost savings for companies as technicians can focus on maintaining the network rather than guiding users. It means the potential for AI is limitless. In the hands of innovators like Sami, Neeven, David, Rana, and Harris, AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer, a key that unlocks a future where technology serves us in more intuitive and efficient ways than ever before. The future is here, and it's powered by AI.
Our amazing XR Factory team produced Vision Copilot. Vision Copilot is made by amazing Sami, that is XR UI Unity Master, the amazing Neeven. Neeven make the tech possible, connected to the backend that I was doing, and then after to put the magic in the Unity 3D. That is just amazing. Then after we have Rana. Rana make those 3D models. She is 3D modeler. Make those 3D models to look and feel the objects in 3D space. And then after we have the amazing David to make the UI and UX so appealing to the customers that they want this product. It is so amazing to be on this journey with you guys, and now we are seeing the live demo. Thank you for watching and bye!
A revolutionary solution in customer support, offering real-time feedback. Simply point your smartphone's camera at your device and get feedback as if our customer care team is right there, guiding each step, ensuring everything is just right. First, select your specific device within the app. Next, position your device in your surroundings. Let augmented reality guide you through each setup step. It's tech support intuitive, interactive, and right in your hand. Scale and rotate the device to fit your environment, and AR will help visualize spatial tutorials for an interactive setup experience. Let's begin by connecting the power cable. With the spatial tutorial, visualize exactly where and how to plug in. The tutorial provides an AR simulation that guides you through the process, showing precisely where the cable should go. You can adjust the view, zoom in for a closer look, and follow each step confidently. Take the device and plug in the power cable. Once you've connected the cable to the device, to ensure it's done correctly, the LED indication light on the device will help you identify if it's correctly installed. Turn the device and click on View Your Progress. You can then take a snapshot of this and send it off for a quick analysis. This step provides real-time feedback to verify the installation and alerts you if any adjustments are needed. The feedback will be provided in your chosen language, available in both text and audio. Next, insert the SIM card. The AR simulation will guide you through the process, showing you exactly how and where to place it. Pay attention to the indication light on the device. It helps confirm whether the SIM is inserted correctly. For instance, if the SIM isn't properly placed, the light won't activate, and you'll receive feedback pointing out the error along with corrective actions to fix the issue. The animation is replayed to enhance understanding and provide clear visual guidance. Following the updated instructions, the user carefully places the SIM card correctly into the device. This ensures each step is precisely executed. It is as if customer care team is right there, seeing what you see and guiding each step, ensuring everything is done correctly. Once done, capture a photo of the indication light on the device and send it for analysis to confirm that the SIM is properly installed and functioning as expected. This step ensures that everything is set up correctly and your device is ready to use. Vision Copilot revolutionizes customer support with AI-driven feedback and immersive AR guidance. Welcome to a future where customer support is simplified, personalized, instant, and accessible to everyone.